To add the Dribble URL with icon on desktop and taskbar using Microsoft Edge browser, navigate to the Dribble website. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser window. Although this option allows you to install the website as an app as well. However, to pin the website on taskbar, bring mouse cursor over the More Tools option. From there, you can choose Pin to Taskbar option. Click Yes on the pop-up dialog. The website shortcut will be instantly added to taskbar on the bottom of desktop screen. To add Dribble page link as desktop shortcut, resize the Edge browser to make your desktop visible. Then drag the security icon in address bar and drop it on your desktop. Discover dozro.com for free courses on graphic design, video editing, browser tips, computer tricks, and website creation. You'll also find an impressive range of products, most priced under $20. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the Dozro channel. Thank you for watching.